Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some... Oh, actually, we're not playing anything. We're just making a game. Game will be released on Game Jolt, December 31st, 2 p.m. Mountain Time. Oh, just ignore that. Which is, yeah. That's when the game's full release is. Currently, it's on Game Jolt. But, like, all you can really do is move around in it. And just a Gtag fan game. For now. Actually, no, yeah, it's gonna be Gtag fan game. But I am working on another game that will that you can play later on in life when I actually want to fully release it, or kind of release it on Game Jolt 2, but it's not even close to done, so that's in the future. Alright, today what we're trying to do is get some texture on this guy. Hello? You? Okay, so, I don't know how to unwrap this. I'll search that up on the internet. How to unwrap in Blender. Wow. Oh yeah, we should also move this to edit mode. That might be better. Okay, so. Okay, so like what it says, select the face that you want to do. Then it says view, right? I don't know. It says just use the U key. U. Oh, but we try on this side. U. No. Oh, this is so amazing. We're off to a great start today. Wait. Leave this element, UV editing, and then unwrap or U. So it says select unwrap or just press U. U does not work currently. I don't know why. That's fun. What are you gonna use, like generation area? Oh, this is so annoying. UV Blender manual tools manual. Okay. Editor 3D viewport edit mode menu header UV shortcut U. So I believe it should be in file UV. What? This makes no sense. I'm right now going through the documentation of Blender. This makes sense. It does not make any sense, guys. Just an FYI. Okay, so we are on edit mode right now, which is we want to be on. Well, I think we use like this, and we can do UV, smart UV. Do click extrude between joints, mirror, snap, optimize on law, name, parent, split, separate bones, attachment. Nope. I just wanna. Why? Why doesn't this let me do it? Okay, what if he's clicking you again? Okay, the true question is, does my U key work? Okay, my U key does work. Alright, so it's not my key, it's Blender. Work! I swear to God. This is annoying. Like, my guy. You know what? Screw this pose mode. I'm mad. Alright, I'm done. What if we click this, and then we click this, and then we click, okay. Click over here and we select you. Hello, hello. What's this? Mode. Mode. More mode. Oh wait, mode. Interact. I don't think we need any of those. Cursor. This makes no sense. This makes absolutely zero sense. Let's go to YouTube's on my other device. How to texture in Blender. That might help us. How to texture.
The Omen 16 laptop. I can game on the go on the
ads. I hate ads.
GPU.
No.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we're gonna, and if you would like this, you can join the Discord, and it is in the resources page. Now we're gonna click A over here to grab everything. Press 1 U, and then we're gonna click Project from View. This is just so we see the exact same thing over here. And if you would like this, you can join the Discord, and it is in the resources page. Now we're gonna click A over here to grab everything. Press 1 U, and then we're gonna click Project from View.
He just did A1U. He's like, alright guys, let's select A1 and then U. Hold up, we're in pose mode. He said this was what is A1U. My guy, you are the most useful person.
If you would like this, you can join the Discord, and it is in the resources page. Now, we're going to click A over here to grab everything. Press 1 U, and then we're going to click Project from View. This is just so we see the exact same thing over here as we do over here. If you want everything to be one color, you can go over here, S0, enter, and then just G to grab. Say we want the square to be red. Cool. Let's do like a bright beet red. Perfect. Hop on over to here. Go to Image Texture, then click on this little guy right here.
Bro, bro, he was 1 second off of making this a YouTube short.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to embed your textures into Blender, and
I
also
don't want textures. I just want a texture.
Smart UV project. Most of the time you can leave all of these settings on the default, then hit OK. And now, select it, come up into the menu, select UVs, and select Smart UV project.
What? Even down layout, right? And then he's like up top. It says UV somewhere. All I see is just the shut up, Oculus. View select add an object. What? Now? Cause he has view select add mesh vertex. Hold on, let me go to like my filter it out. Hold up, that might help. Search filters. Let's go upload date. I don't understand. Okay, let's go back, switch it up again, and let's add the filters. That might help. Let's watch this video. Everyone keeps on saying press U.
You can no way more. No way. No way.
But like, U's not working, so
With
I'm
Create
confuzzled.
Studio Pro, you can create amazing 3D character explainers just like
My complete Blender beginner tutorial series. I'll leave a card where you can upload, buy, and sell 3D models and assets. 3D models and assets for creating a drawing.
Shut up.
Alright, I'm gonna set this to 12. 1 on the number in the front, drew it again, from come kind of part of them, and then again equal it down. Basic select, like, because I want to see how that's looking. The shortcut key for, and then if you want to, you can create it at a loop.
He's remodeling it now.
More on your computer. I'm just going to call it mushroom.blend and save this Blender file. So now that we've finished modeling this, we need to UV unwrap it, because if we don't UV unwrap it, then the texture doesn't know where to be placed on the object. So let's go right up here and click on the UV editing tab, and you can see that it gives us this different layout. It's pretty similar, but it has this UV editor right here. Now if we select everything, we can press U and click on unwrap. Now when
We're gonna select everything, like up in there. In this place, I just select everything. Click U. U key is not working, guys. Shift U?
you do that, nothing really happens. Actually, it just UV unwraps everything and kind of sticks it down here. You can see if I press A to select everything, G to grab, there's actually a little point right there. So this obviously isn't going to...
Okay, let's search up. Can't unwrap in Blender. Hold on, let's just search up U key doesn't work in Blender. Oh, that might help. Ah, maybe it's Control U now. Control U. Also does not work. Alt U does not work. Oh, that's my Steam. That's not what we want. We want this. Go here. What? Okay, that's not what we want. Let's try this. Well, this.
Hi, dropshippers. It's time to focus on what you do best.
Audio
So go to wix.com/dropshipping.
There you go.
When you UV unwrap, as many of you have already done, when you're making walls or whatever, let me just create a cube, right? And then you let's bring it up here like this, and then you scale it, right? So scale X, scale Y, and then scale Z to make it a little flatter, and so now I've got a cube, which is essentially pretty close to about the same as the one that's. What's always frustrating is, and then I go Control E, and I mark my seams, and let's go into UV unwrap here. Okay, there it is. Select all, U to unwrap, boom, and I get the cross
See, it's just not working. Why am I skipping this part of the
I
video?
really wanted to kind of create just a separate one that's I'm gonna make a new texture for it. We'll just call this padlock body, like that. Okay, and we're gonna take shading. And one of the things that I always like to do is I will so that people can see what's really going on. So here's my checkered texture. It actually doesn't look too shabby, but you can see how the sides and the tops are not really the editor, and you can kind of see what happened is the right size. The scaling is really off. So let's go to our UV editor, and you can kind of see what happened is when I made it out of a cube, and the cube came with the UV unwrapping the way it is with a cube, and I cut a hole in it. So let's just open this up here, and I have a cylinder inside and everything like that. So you can just see it's all messed up in there. I've already done all my seams along the corners here, and then I want a seam back here, and everything like that. So let's just select this.
This is not what I want. Okay, so what we want to do is basically it says A a couple times, so now it's under. Now we're under the. Hold on, I think. Now we're hovering over the 3D view. We just click U. Bro, I'm literally clicking U. What is happening? File. Oh, let's go edit. Preferences. Hold on. Yes. Let's see if I can say anything happened. Animation, I don't care about animations. Themes. I don't care. Okay, that's not what we wanted, I don't believe. What the heck happened? Let's UV editing. Here we go. Okay, so we can do a new image. Let's call this Ugly. I think we're getting somewhere. Probably not. Okay, can we now do it? You suck, Blender. Another way I can do it without any shortcuts. I don't think so. I can't UV unwrap. This is the dumbest. Thing I've ever seen. I literally cannot UV unwrap. It's so dumb. Like, I'm in edit mode. This is 3D viewport. This is UV thing. Like, what? This is weird. This is funky, bro. I just want to make my game. I just want to add texture. I'll watch just one last video and see if this helps. If not, we'll just continue making the game in Unity.
Every part of the creation. It is video active or texture. And I'm click on here is choose. Click on new here. Do the same with every part of our object. I'm going to select. I'm going to click here, check.
What's the wrong? You
can see, we can appreciate the geometry of our object. So I'm going to press here on this button to select faces, and I'm going to press Alt.
This guy didn't help us. So, in that case, always go into Unity and start making our game a game. No? In reality, we don't have much here. Kind of have this simple scene with some things here kind of guide us spiritually. Joking. It's just here to help us a lot. Like, I mean a lot. Alright. I'm not sure what I want to do next. So right here we got some cosmetics. That's pretty nice. Right, and then we've got some wall bouncing, because it's like Gtag physics pretty much. Wall climbing. And then here's our player model, which actually works. Let's turn off gadgets. It was a player name, whatever. That. Alright. So. I am not sure if it works, but I'm 95% sure that Photon is working with the multiplayer department of stuff, right? So I can't test that until tomorrow, where I convince my friend to get the game on full release, right? So like, yeah. What's up with it? Make this wall taller. Why not? Okay, what I reckon we do is actually make a map. But yeah. Okay, I want to really get that texture thing working. But I think that's what's gonna go into full release. So what I think we do today is get the game ready for version like 5.0, right? And in order to get it ready for like 5.0 and stuff, we've got to, I don't think we got we got to fix cosmetics actually. That's what we must do. Okay, let's do that. Yeah. Assets, because our cosmetics right now are kind of broken. Not even gonna gently cap. Let's put in our rig. Our rig is too big. Oh yeah, also we just had these balls. Actually, we need those. Go to Photon. No, it was resources. Photon VR player. Alright, let's move him up. Well, I'm gonna delete him. What I just want to do right now is fix our cosmetics that we currently have in game. That's what I really want to do right now. So let's do that. So it's gonna be like something like that, right? Okay, so top hat, let's fix that one. Top hat's all the way up there. Back down. Actually, Control Z. Alright. What you wanted to do was move this guy up. Alright. Let's move him to the side a bit. So the top hat is clearly a bit too big. Not just a bit, actually it's quite big. On our player. This is we get to fix the player name positioning. I just don't know where to do it. I was thinking like where the arm is, but the arm constantly moves, so I'll figure that out later. I know we have to figure out cosmetics. Alright, so like that, I believe. Oh, that's a snug fit, bro. clean. Sheesh. Alright, so this is the front of the guy. I'm gonna rotate it a bit. Alright, move it to the side a bit, drop it down some more. Sheesh. Alright, I'm done. Alright, in order to see if our character actually looks good with the top hat on, go to scene. Okay, that's okay, that's fine. Ah, okay. So, I think I know our issue here. I think it's the player model. I think what we have to do is go to our, no, it's our gorilla rig, which is the one. Okay, we have to move down our model. Player model. Okay. And we have to find out where our gorilla rig is. Let me move this. I'll do this guy back up. I don't know what to do. It's kind of weird. I ain't never done this before. Okay, so what I think we can do is head into here and move the hat. Move the hat into the correct position. Hopefully this stays. So you wanted to. That's almost perfect. Move to the side some more. Voila. On play. Right. Now if we join again. Show the skips and assemblies. Blah blah. Okay, go back to our scene view. Still not in the correct place. So we think what the issue is my guy isn't simply in the right place, such as this guy. He's simply not in the right place. Oh, I forgot how to do this, so let's go to tutorial.
Leave the rest of the prep to the Amazon shopping app. Order matching pajamas
No.
to kick the party off.
Ayo, cheetah. What's up? I'm trying to learn piano, but it's so
I don't
hard.
care about simply piano.
Since it is the head, make sure we're just going to use this for now. So now what we're going to do, drag one of the models here, and
Yes, we want to line it up with this, the gorilla rig. And the main camera is... Why is it not showing, though? That's the weird part. It's using the player, then. Let's check out the gorilla rig. Okay, we want to move the camera, then. Camera, right? And then we just kind of line it up. So we got to move our player a bit. Side. And up some more. There we go. Alright, now we want to grab the top hat. Drop it down. And fit it. We want to rotate that a bit. Bop. Voila. On the game, as the script assembly, blah blah blah. Scene. Oh my god, it's too low now. This is wonderful. Let's move you back up here. Okay, so I don't understand how this thing works with my model, because I was using a different one. I was using a whole different setup. Okay, so let me go to the YouTube video and actually watch it, possibly.
footage, assets section, and then do what I'm about to tell you. Now in assets, we're going to go to normal, go to examples, go to VR player, resources, and under gorilla player, just drag in VR player. So now VR player is lined up. Don't worry, we're going to delete.
Oh, so we want to delete our player. Delete. So we want to put this under gorilla rig. And now it's lined up, supposedly. I think what we need is some rotational action here. up. Okay, now we can move it perfectly. This is how the tutorial went, at least, guys. It's too far front, up, back a bit, up a bit. Oh god. Side. Down some more. Perfect. Now if we run the game, it should work. Scene. Oh, that hat on the floor, bro. This is so annoying.
This later, we're just gonna use this for now. So now what we're gonna do, drag one of the models here and put it on top of the head. Make sure it's perfectly aligned because this is where it'll be.
Okay, so we actually did it wrong.
Cosmetic. Now this is on, but now let's
Shut up. So we delete our player again because we don't need him. I'm gonna put it under Gorilla Player, which is right here. We're gonna put it under here. There we go. Now this guy's just floating, but that's okay. This is boop 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 boop. Okay, that's a bit too like that. That's perfect. Now let's run the game and test it out and see if that's good. But in reality, it should just be good. There we go. Alright, now you have to do for the top hat is just hide it, so when we do add our cosmetic in the thing, it does show. Next thing, glasses, oh god. Okay, we need these cosmetics to actually look good. Glasses never were supposed to meant to be functional, it kind of be for showing off. Not even gonna lie. Actually looks pretty good right there. Right, if we just run the game. And then I will show you a little demo of how the game looks right now. It will be laggy though. Right. But the glasses are in place. Nice. Alright. Now we can hide it. Because the glasses were the easier one. That's because we probably figured it out already. Right. Santa. Okay, so this is a bit too far there. We gotta move it down. Side a bit. Up. Side. Some more to the side. Down some more. Some side more. Santa, that's kind of weird. Up. Bit. Alright, that's good enough. It's like overhanging now. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, now we just had that one. Now it all works. So now we can delete player. That's him, right? Delete it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you it working fully functional in VR. Thing is, you won't hear me as well because I'm going to be playing on the VR and my VR is going to be like, you know, like it's a little farther away than my microphone is to me sitting in a chair making the video. But yeah. Alright. First we have to set up Steam VR. Actually we have to set up VR, so we'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna connect our VR first to my PC using Questlink, Airlink. Cause I don't own a link cable. Or I do. It's just broken. Okay. What I want to do is just connect it to our computer using Questlink. Launch. Are you for Questlink to launch? Dude. Hey, cheetah. Alright, now once Questlink is launched, what you want to do is rush over your PC. Go ahead, go into your Steam VR, which should be located in your Steam. And boom. Now Steam VR should be launching in your VR headset. It's launched. Okay. And we just want to launch the game. Ow, my face. Okay. Now the game should be launching. You guys can see my PC, but I can't. So, alright, the game launched. I just gotta play the game. Alright, it's a bit laggy, but that's simply because, oh shoot, it's in the, right now I'm running it off of Unity itself, not the application, and the Wi-Fi. But as you can see, we have our model here. Hi. Hello. Oh yeah, we can also do something that we can't do in Gtag. Go pop, pop. Alright. Now we lag? Okay. If you go over here, we can apply cosmetics and take them off. Wait, top hat first? Okay, or Santa hat first. Either or works. Let's want the top hat first. Kinda hard to see. That's fine, it's cosmetic. I mean, what do you expect? Wait, Santa hat works. That's a good. Alright, let's go switch our cosmetics. Actually, 2023 glasses next. 2023, I mean. Let's put on 2023 glasses. They work. Not very visible. You can't really see anything. But that's fine. Dude, they're just really for 2023. Alright. And then we want the top hat. The Santa hat. I want top hat. It's kind of tall, so it's got. I don't want 2023 glasses. I think I got a plan. I'm a man with a plan, bro. Oh shoot. Okay, we're lagging. We're lagging. Alright. Okay, you might not be able to hear the audio very good. What, top hat? Okay, top hat works. It's also very not visible, but that's okay. At least we look stylish. Yeah! Let's take this off. It's not very visible. It's okay. Power of balls. It's on my side. Alright. Alright. Now let's move over here. What the heck? Okay. Right now we just want to go pop, 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 boom. And we can also do this, guys. We can do some of that action. Also, I made that top wall taller. So that's pretty nice. We can also pinch climb. That works. Just like Gorilla Tag, pretty much. And then we can go like this. Do some of this action. Oh, we can't do some of that action, okay. So maybe we can pinch climb, it's just not very easy to do because lag, but you know, just a wall climb. Lag. Might not be lagging on my PC, but for me, on my Oculus is very laggy. Okay, I look like a twat, my guy. Lag, can you stop making me look like a twat? Ayo, cheetah. Up, up. This is very, very humorous of me. I know I can do it. I've done it before. It's just like the lag is getting to me. Try that again. Okay, that's not working. But we can do it. I've done it before. Trust me. But the thing I like the most about this is we can run faster in this game than we can in Gorilla Tag. So let's try this. Right. The noise my controller makes. Me running like this. Game is currently available on Game Jolt for version 0.1.001. Woo. Excuse me, Sports 3163. Was my brother giving a bit weirdo. Also jump on this. Also like wall climbing kind of. I'm not sure about wall running though. I've not tried it. Let's see. I don't think you wall climb. But that's the game. Should we put Oculus? Set it charge in, because charging is really good for your headset, guys. Trust me. Alright, so you might have not been able to hear me when I was playing that game. You might have been able to. But yeah. Alright. Now we've got that completely working, which is amazing. Yes. You can walk on, guys. It's just lag, okay? I'm not sure if it was laggy on my PC. For you guys. Hopefully it wasn't. But for me, on the Oculus, it was laggy, so. Yeah. Alright, I think the next step is... Oh, we can close SteamVR actually now, too. I'm not sure what the next step is. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, we can do a lot more things. But I don't want to spoil the whole game, or what I have planned for the whole game. So, I'll leave the video here today, boys. See you tomorrow. And tomorrow, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of like play the game. Show you the game. Actually, am I doing anything tomorrow? I might not actually do it. I might not. I think that I'm gonna not do anything tomorrow. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna record tomorrow. I think the next time I record is gonna be on the 1st, 2023. Okay, let's save our project. Let's build it. Oh yeah. We just have to change the name of the game. Currently I have it as Gtag went bad, but let's change it to the actual name of the game. What? I think it's player settings. And I was like, let me search it up on the web. How to change name of game in Unity. There you go. Go to file, build settings, player settings. Okay, so I was on the right track. Player settings. Select player category. Version. Let's change that to 1.0.5. Actually, I'm gonna change it from 5.0. Oh, that looks better. Select player category. What? Wait. Select the player category from the list on your left. Physics, players, physics player, player manager. That's weird. Look in here. I think this here will be easier. Oh, it's right here, okay. Now let's rename it to what the name of the game is. And let's change it to What's this? Jesus, you don't use cursor since it's not a PC game. Alright. Alright, that's it. Then we just build it. And we're gonna drop it into our desktop. I'll just replace all the files hopefully. Let's cancel. I don't want to do that. I think this is what I'm gonna do. My add a file to my desktop. So wait, if we're gonna to my desktop. Oh, that's my pictures. Desktop. We're gonna do new folder called beast tag version 0. That's not 0, 0.5.0. We'll put it in there. And then we're done for today, guys. I don't think you'll watch me publish it, so like, yeah. I'll see you next time, which is 2023. As a matter of fact, I've been waiting to say this all year. See you next year. Oh, wait, hold up. See you next year.